All right, welcome, Carolina Marine Group. We are on board Motor Yacht Southern Comfort. And who do we have with us this morning?
Michelle Reed.
Sean Reed.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Wonderful, thank you.
Excellent. So you guys stayed aboard last night?
We did, yes.
And what was your experience like?
It was wonderful. The accommodations are amazing. This is a great boat, very roomy. We were blown away by how clean it is and how true to the age it is. It was just a wonderful experience.
Good. What was your favorite part about it?
Being away from home.
Nice. So, and what else did you do while you were here?
Sunset cruise.
How'd you like that, Sean?
It was very cool.
Excellent. What boat did you go out on that?
The Hatteras.
Very good. And were you able to drive?
I was able to drive, see dolphins, and see all the sights.
I think you did quite well yesterday. I think you did most of the trip by yourself.
Yes.
So are you gunning for my job?
Maybe.
Excellent. So you guys had a good experience on board both boats then?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Excellent. So would you recommend us?
Absolutely.
Cool. And how was the communication and ease of dealing with us? And
Couldn't be
Wonderful.
easier.
excellent, excellent. Well, I appreciate you guys having come aboard and stay with us, and hopefully we'll see you guys back sometime soon.
Absolutely.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.